Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect visitor or customer based on their city location using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. So we are going to redirect visitor based on their city location to different web page or custom URL. Now you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select JavaScript. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to redirect visitor based on city location to different page or custom URL. Now you see page 1 variable, page 2, so you can add URL link according to requirement, and then you see fetch ipinfo.io JSON. So by using this we are going to get visitor location, mean visitor city. So this is our API request, and then you see data city Islamabad, so this is our location. So when someone visits from Islamabad, then redirect to this link google.com, and if someone visits from Los Angeles, then redirect to page 2. So this is our link. Now open this link and then you see all detail IP, hostname, city, region, country. So we are using this city in custom code Los Angeles. Now back to code. If you want to add more city, then you see else if. Now copy this and then paste, and then you can add your city location here, and then you see page 2, change to page 3. Now scroll up, you see variable page 2, now copy and then paste. Now change it page 3. Now you see same variable page 3 in custom code, and then you can add your URL here. So you can add multiple city location and redirect visitor based on their city. Then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location side by header. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Now open our website. So our city location is Islamabad. Now open our website and then redirect to Google. Again open it. Now you see open our website, again redirect to google.com. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.